Yeah. You got this thing looking good. What's up, man?
What's up, man? I didn't even know you were in here.
For real?
Yeah. I had my music in and I was just going.
Boy, you almost uppercutted me, didn't you?
Yeah.
Pow!
What are you doing? I figured out why they had all that stuff on there.
What you talking about?
They had that shine on it.
On this one?
Yeah.
What was it? Oh, the dashes? Ew. What's his name? The guy that comes on Friday, he'll take care of that. I can't think his name. He does our upholstery.
Yeah.
Yep.
Mike Hill or whatever.
That I don't know. That don't sound like his name. Hey, did this take long to clean up or no?
It was about
Man, them wheels look kind of good on here. Yeah. Hey, what year is this thing? 15 GMC Canyon. Lifted. Let me see the inside of it. Interior's not that bad though, besides what you were talking about. What was you looking for? Oh. Man, my pods ain't working.
Really?
I don't know what's wrong with them. I don't know if I need to wipe them off or blow them out, but mine ain't working either. Like, they so handy, so I just got these on right now until I get them going.
Yeah, that damn steel.
Hey, what color is this? Like satin steel? What do you call that?
I have no idea. I don't get it.
Hold on, where's the key at? I don't know. Is this the key? Yeah, this is Cyber. It's Cyber gray. Yeah. That's nice. Cyber gray. This is your next ride right here. What did you say this reminded you of?
See what?
What did you say this reminded you of? A Honda Civic? Honda Civic? It needs to be, I like big trucks when it's like this. But I like it because it's different. Yeah, I like it. This would be a good truck. I'm trying to catch the guy who does the touch-up wheels and stuff. I want to get him.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Mr. Clay, how can they? Oh, let me see your shirt so I can show them.
Oh yeah, just do that.
There you go. If you guys want to check him out, there he goes right there. And what other social media do you got?
Facebook and Facebook's just KC Detail. You get on Instagram at KC_detail_.
Right. I need to fix mine on YouTube. I need to put my Instagram and stuff on there. My Instagram is it's_Matthias_M. There you go.
Still Matthias for him.
Matthias. You'll fall asleep because that long. I'm just kidding. But yeah, let me go ahead and see if I can catch him. But I'll holler at you. Yep. Let's go ahead and see. There he goes. Dang, hopefully my camera can do right. We got a bunch of new trucks and stuff in the day, so hopefully I'll do a video of that. Get this going. Hopefully I can get a lot of stuff in the face. I'm in class, by the way. How are you guys? Yeah, let's go see what he's talking about. Yeah, he got his little setup going on. Got his Dodge. What's up, man? Nothing. Thought I'd come back and video what you doing. What are you doing? Okay. Yep, finna get it right. Yep. I've been wanting to video you, but I keep missing you. Yep. Do you got any social media stuff like that, or how can people find you? Okay, you guys heard it. Y'all need to check him out. He does good work, I'm telling you. I want to show people off, man. They do good work. They deserve it. Yeah, man. I can't wait to see it. Whenever I get time, I'll probably do a after, but I'm sure you'll be gone. So, but I'll show it. So he's sanding it all down. Like these wheels, I guess from the factory, I don't know if they use not a good clear coat, but they're like failing. And so he's coming to take care of it and get it right. So hopefully I'll have a, let me see, I wish you had one. Do you got one more to do, or is this the last one?
Yeah, I'm in the middle of that one.
Okay.
Yeah, I have a little bit of base coat on there.
Okay, so he's starting this one.
Yeah, those two on the other side are done already.
Oh, good. I can do that. So this is the process of it.
Yeah,
I don't know if you guys can see it.
Failed right here.
Right, it's kind of, I don't know if my camera can catch it, but he's sanding it. You guys in the car world kind of know what's going on. And this is like afterwards, and it looks good. Like it looked like he never even touched it. Like, it looks great. And I don't even know if this camera does this any justice, but it looks good. And then here's the other one. And they were all peeling because I saw it earlier. I just didn't record it because I was busy, but it looks good. Yeah, you already know. I ain't even got to talk. That look good. Yeah, that looks great. But anyway. But yeah, definitely. That looks great. I like this truck too. I like these wheels on your truck. That looks good. Yeah. That's a setup. But all right, man. I'll see ya. Go over here and check out these new ones. I'm gonna try to hurry up. Hello. Yeah, we got several new ones. Let me see if I can get it. Hopefully the sun do right. See, we got these in. So if you guys are interested in any of these kind of vehicles, you need to check us out at Kevin Grover Buick GMC or grovergm.com. And I think this is the 2021, what is this? Enclave, 2021 Enclave? Yeah. Look at that, it's nice. Then we got this one, all 2021s. Enclave as well. Then we got this big boy right here, boy, this thing's clean. I love red, so 2500 HD 6.6. It's real nice. It's gonna be even better once they get it all washed up and stuff ready for the lot. But yeah, man, if you guys are interested in any of this, yeah, just give us a shout out. Here's how you can reach them as well. There's that. But yeah, I should have some more stuff coming soon. I just started my YouTube, so still getting it figured out. But once I do, I should have some good stuff. So I'll let you guys go, and hopefully y'all have a good day. Check it out.